Hi guys, welcome back. Happy December. I'm so happy that it's Christmas time. I'm so glad that it's finally the most wonderful time of the year. That means it's time to be with your family and friends and celebrate and have all kinds of holiday cheer happening. And that also means a time of gift giving. I mean, you don't have to give gifts, but a lot of people like to. And so I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a little gift guide for those who do like to gift for either Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Even if you don't celebrate any holiday and you just like giving gifts, then I think this would be a great gift guide for you. I wanted to create a gift guide of things that are either cruelty-free or natural beauty products or things that I love and use daily in either my professional or personal makeup kit. And so I just wanted to include a few things here and there. I'm going to be doing a 3-part series in this. So my first video, which is this one that you've clicked on, is my $25 and under / stocking stuffers gift. And then I also am going to be doing a $50 and under gift guide and a $50 and over gift guide. So thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit that notifications button. That way you'll know when I post my other videos, including those other 2 gift guides. So like I said, this video is going to be my stocking stuffers and $25 and under gifts. These are all beauty products, so if you are interested in something like this or interested in giving somebody these kind of gifts, then this is for you. So my first stocking stuffer item is actually the Moroccan Magic Lip Balms. I am a brand ambassador for them, but that's because I personally love using their products for myself, and I love using them on my clients when I'm working. These are $3.99 each, but you can get them on sale. They are sold at CVS and Walgreens and even Bed Bath & Beyond. And I think you can also find them at Whole Foods now. But they are an organic and natural lip balm company. They're made with argan oil and essential oils. They're very smooth and not shiny at all. Their scents are also considered aromatherapy because they are organic essential oils. I really love their products. I think that they are just so great, and they make a perfect stocking stuffer because they're small and they're pretty cheap. I think I just saw something recently where somebody got them on sale for like $2 or $2.50 or something. So that's like a really great gift for children or teens or people that you work with or anything like that. So I really like that, and it's very inexpensive. So the next product I think would be a great gift is the Josie Maran Argan Oil, but it's the mini size. I think it's just a ½ an ounce. It's sold at Sephora, or I'm pretty sure you can get it on QVC and Josie Maran's website, and it's only $16, so that would make a great stocking stuffer as well because it is so tiny. It's super cute, but you can use that on your hair, your skin, your nails, like your cuticles. I really love argan oil. I made a video before talking about using that in my skincare routine. Honestly, that has changed my entire skincare life. I love argan oil. I will never stop loving argan oil. It's just so amazing, and I feel like the little Josie Maran one would be a really cute stocking stuffer gift. My next stocking stuffer gift is the Glossier Haloscope. They are $22 and you can get them on Glossier's website. There's 3 colors that it comes in, but it's basically like a highlighter with like an oil center, and it's so amazing. I love the Haloscopes. I use them on my clients and I use them on myself. The colors are really beautiful and they're super easy to use, and they are really small and compact. So if you're traveling, it's a great highlighter to use as well, and it's pretty long lasting, so it's not going to like melt away and melt off of your skin. Like, it stays there all day long, so you don't even have to worry about it. The next item is the Glossier Lip Gloss, and I really love this. It's only $14 and it's super glossy. If you're into glossy lips, then you will love this lip gloss. This would make a great stocking stuffer because it is inexpensive, and I feel like pretty much any girl would love it. It's such a perfect lip gloss. Like, you can't really ever find one that's more glossy than the Glossier one. My next gift idea is the Glossier Balm Dot Com. It is $12, so it would make a great stocking stuffer or a gift for maybe a coworker. It's just a lip balm, and they have different scents, or they have unscented ones, and then they also have one that has like some shimmer in it. But they smell great, they feel great. You can use them on your skin, Maybe not the one with the shimmer. I mean, unless you want to be shimmery. But you can use them on your skin, or you can use them on your lips, whatever. It is on the more shiny side, so unlike the Moroccan Magic one, this one is shiny, but it is still a great lip balm. My next gift idea is from another one from Glossier. It is the Cloud Paint. They are $18, but you can get like a two-for deal where you get two for $30. But if you just wanted to get one individual one for a stocking stuffer, it's just $18. I've talked about Glossier Cloud Paints before. I love them. They are a gel blush, and a little teeny tiny bit goes the longest way. I really like those. That would be a great gift for a coworker too, maybe someone that you're more familiar with if you know that they like makeup products. Otherwise, for like teens, your like sister or your daughter or your moms love them too. So pretty much anybody I think would like the Glossier Cloud Paints. They're just super easy to use. I put like the tiniest amount on the back of my hand, and then I dip my finger and then just blend it out. You can blend it out with a beauty blender, or you can use a brush as well. Like I like to use duo fiber brushes with them, but they're super beautiful, and I think anybody would be happy to get a cloud paint for Christmas. My next product is the RMS Beauty MultEYetasker the RMS Beauty MultiTasker Eye Pencil. So it comes in Peach Luminizer and Living Luminizer shades. They are $22, and you can get them from RMS Beauty, Nordstrom, or Sephora. They are basically like a luminizer in pencil form. So it's like a mechanical pencil. You can twist it up, but you can use it on your waterline. You can use it to like highlight the inner corner of your eyes. You can use it even just like blending it as a highlighter. But I tested it out on my hand and like scrubbed it with my finger, and it doesn't budge. So like once it's on, it's on. So I think that's really cool. And it's a more natural option for your waterline liner. But I really like those. I think that it would be a great gift if you are someone that's into more natural beauty. That would be a nice stocking stuffer or $25 and under gift. My next three stocking stuffer / $25 under gifts are the Take My Face Off Middies. So they have the Midi Large, which is $14. They have the Small Midi, which is $10. And then they have the Vlada MUA Midi, which is $26. But you can get these as individuals. So the large size is the blue one, the small size is the black one, and then the Vlada MUA one is the lips red shaped one. So you can get those as individual ones for a stocking stuffer or a 25 and under gift. I think that's like such a great gift because they are reusable. So you're not having to go out and buy makeup wipes all the time. You just clean it after every use. And it's just like a really nice gift because it's helping the environment along the way. With the Vlada MUA Midi, they also donate proceeds to the Trash Free Seas initiative and the Pollinator Partnership. So they're going towards helping the environment while you're also helping the environment. And I think that's super awesome. My next gift idea is the Vapour Beauty Velvet Lip Gloss. And these are $25 each. It comes in like a little glass jar and it is filled. A little bit goes a long way. They are beautiful glosses and they smell like, they smell like pina coladas. They're so nice. I really love the smell of those. I use them in my professional kit and they are just always beautiful. I think they're a really great option if you want a lip gloss, and they are like colored lip glosses. They have a clear one, but they also have color ones too. But they are so beautiful and it would be a great gift for, you know, any beauty lover. Vapour also has a lip conditioner, which is just a lip balm, and this is a great gift as well. If you wanted to like up the ante on your lip balm gifts. They are $20, but they are about this big and they are like full of product and last. They're really nice. They also smell like pina coladas and it just leaves your lips feeling super silky and smooth. My next $25 and under gift idea are the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powders, Blushes, and Bronzers in the travel size, which you can pick up at Sephora and I think on Hourglass's website. But they are $22 to $24 each, and they're small, but they're mighty. It comes with a lot of product because you really don't need that much with Hourglass. They make really beautiful like highlighters, blushes, and bronzers, which I've talked about before in previous videos. But the travel size is perfect because it's small. You can put it in your makeup bag. It's great for younger makeup lovers. It's just a really great option, and it's rather inexpensive. It's under 25 bucks. Hourglass also has, which would be an amazing stocking stuffer, their Caution Mascara in like the travel size, and it's only $14. So if you haven't tried Caution, that is like a great gateway into using their mascara, which is my favorite. And it's only $14, so it's perfect to just toss in the stocking or wrap it up as a little gift for, you know, a friend at work or one of your close personal friends. It's just, I love that mascara, so I think it would be a great gift that anybody would love. My last $25 and under / stocking stuffer gift idea is the Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick set. They're minis, they're tiny, so it's $25. I think there's 4 or 5 lipsticks in there, and Bite Beauty makes beautiful lip products. They are on the more natural side and they're cruelty free as well. You can purchase this on Sephora's website, and I actually just saw that it was on sale for only $15, so that would be like a perfect stocking stuffer or a gift for somebody that you know. So that is it for my $25 and under / stocking stuffer gift guide. Really, any of these could be used interchangeably as a stocking stuffer or as a gift. I use these all on a regular basis, either for myself personally or in my makeup kit, which anything that goes in my makeup kit I've used and I love. So, I mean, I love all of these products. They're all great brands. They're all cruelty free. Most of them are organic and natural. And I think that anybody that you were to give these gifts to, or if they're on your own personal Christmas list, I think anybody would love them. If you get out there and you get one of these and you give them as a gift, let me know. I want to know. I hope that whoever you gift these to, or if you put this on your Christmas list and get them, I hope that you enjoy these. So please stay tuned for upcoming videos of 2 more gift guides that I have in mind. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks, bye!